Inconsistencies in yield and profitability set off alarm bells at the Batten family's Una district cropping operation. They knew varied soil types were the driver of the problem, given the mix of sandy loam, heavier loam, sandplain and gravels across their 7,000 hectares of farmed land. At the time, lime to control pH was being applied at a blanket rate, regardless of differing readings, and it became clear this one-stop shop approach was draining resources for little payoff.
In terms of lime, there's obviously a big saving there in not just going out and blanketing on, say, your 2 tonne of lime, which is probably the norm around here now, if your soil type doesn't need it. I know it's a lot simpler to do so, but it's a big waste of money if it's not required at that stage.
The Battens looked to variable rate technology to help identify what land required what inputs. The aim of VRT is to better match nutrient inputs to crop needs by delineating zones of differing potential yield, or differing soil nutrient supply, and then applying varying amounts of fertiliser, lime or gypsum across the paddock or farm.
Yeah, I think the thing with variable rate now is it is affordable. It is pretty much becoming sort of mainstream with all new machines anyway. So it's not a huge outlay in costs as to what it was, 5 to 10 years ago. It's definitely a lot easier to use than what it used to be.
While the Battens are still in the trial phase of implementing the VRT findings, they are confident improved yields will be achieved.
I guess hoping for sort of around that 200 kilo mark would be good. I think that's probably realistic. Anything more than that I think is probably, it may not be achievable, but we certainly need to lift production in the means of sort of around that 200 to 300 kilo mark, even to make any real major soil improvements. You need that sort of yield to cover your costs.
And it was through being aware of the information available to growers that the Battens were able to proactively take steps to improve their operation.
Yeah, very important. Like GRDC, the magazine, that ground cover magazine, and is a great magazine. There's always something interesting in there, and there's a lot about VRT now, and just over the internet now you can learn a lot about whether it be VRT or anything in farming. It's just all at your fingertips. So we're certainly very fortunate there.